Attention nurses, what if I told you that you could reach financial freedom with the help of QQQI ETF? In this video, I'm going to go over the numbers and I'm going to show you guys that you don't need a 7-figure portfolio in order to replace your job salary. Now, we're going to go over the entry-level salary, median-level salary, and peak-level salary. And we're also going to use QQQI's 14% dividend yield to figure out the numbers. All right, so let's get to the numbers. The average entry-level salary for a nurse is $65,000 a year. So if we wanted to replace the $65,000 a year job, we would need $456,000 into QQQI. All right, median salary. So the average median salary for a nurse is $80,000 a year. So if we wanted to replace our $80,000 a year median job for a nurse, we would need $572,000 invested into this ETF. All right, finally, peak salary. So the peak salary for a nurse is $100,000 a year. And if we want to replace the $100,000 a year job, then we would need $715,000 invested into QQQI. Now let's do a brief summary. Entry level salary, we're going to need $456,000 into QQQI. Median level salary, we're going to need $572,000 into QQQI. Peak level salary, we're going to need an upwards of $715,000 into QQQI. So how did I get these figures, guys? So what I did, I took the yearly average salaries and I divided by 0.14, which is 14% in decimal form. So that's how I got all the numbers. All right, guys, you're probably looking at these numbers and you probably are doubting yourself. You're probably telling yourself, well, I don't have $400,000, $500,000, $600,000, $900,000, and that's okay. The reality is everybody, I'm not gonna say everybody, but a lot of people do not have this type of money or this type of amount that they can just put into an investment. And it's not about having a large sum of money. It's about working up to those numbers. Guys, as long as you stay consistent, as long as you stay disciplined and invest in all types of markets, guys, you will be able to reach those figures. Now, with this type of investment strategy, I'm not going to promise you that you're going to retire in 5, 10, 15 years. Hell, it might take you 30 to 40 years. It's all going to depend on you. It's all going to depend on how much money you put into this ETF on a regular basis. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. If you found this video helpful and informative, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. And also, guys, hit that notification bell. That way you will know when my videos will be out. And also, guys, last but not least, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment and informational purposes. So always please do your own research. And guys, this video is scenario based. Oh yeah, I also want to leave off with this note. Even though QQQI is a great ETF and it is producing phenomenal returns, that does not mean these phenomenal returns are guaranteed in the future. You got to understand, QQQI is also an investment, and with any other investment, there are risks. Guys, take this into consideration. QQQI's NAV can erode, the dividend can decline, and there's a possibility that the dividends can be cut, especially if we are in a bad market like a recession or a depression. So guys, just keep that in your head, just for a little reminder. All right, guys, a couple of questions for you. If you guys have been a nurse or are currently a nurse, go ahead and put it in the comment section. If you guys are a QQQI ETF investor, go ahead and put that in the comment section. And if so, how many shares do you have of the ETF? And also, how much money do you want to make off this ETF? So, guys, go ahead and share. And also, in the comment section, put some career suggestions that you would want me to make the videos for, or future videos for. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. See you guys in the next video.